Green hydrogen production. There are some ways to produce hydrogen gas, through various chemical reactions, and from the energy of fossil fuels. However, to obtain green hydrogen, water electrolysis is the most used and ideal. So let's understand the electrolysis of water. Solution preparation. An aqueous solution of an electrolyte must be prepared. It usually consists of water with a small amount of sulfuric acid or another substance that can conduct electricity. 1. Then the equipment must be assembled. A device called an electrolytic cell, which consists of 2 electrodes, usually platinum or other conductive material, submerged in the solution. Connect the electrodes to a power source, such as a battery or direct current source. 2. By applying an electric current through the solution, electrolysis occurs. At the cathode, which is the negative pole, water reduces, releasing hydrogen gas, H2. At the anode, which is the positive pole, the water oxidizes, releasing gaseous oxygen, O2. The hydrogen and oxygen gases generated in electrolysis can be found in separate containers. The important point is the source of electrical energy. To be classified as green hydrogen, the source must be renewable and clean, that is, it does not emit polluting substances into the environment.